What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have, I think, one of the easiest installs that I've ever done a video on, or for that matter just an install. I have the hiccups and I've had them all day and I can't get rid of them, so try not to focus on that too much, my bad. But the main reason I'm doing this video is because I know if I have them in there and I record a little something in there, like while I'm driving or something, I know there's gonna be people asking you know, how I did that, what did I do to get that effect and all that. So that's pretty much why I'm doing this video. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but that's just my explanation on why I'm making such a simple video. A lot of you guys already know, you know, what this is and have already heard of like things like this, and there's even better ones that you could actually like plug into your 12-volt source. But I'm just showing you guys just to kind of like show a brief explanation of how simple it is and how cheap. I think I got this kit for like 15 bucks off Amazon. It's called LED car, I guess. I don't really know. I'm gonna be honest, I already opened it just so I know what's in there. I already installed them, and I didn't really install them. I just plugged it in, threw them around, see how it would look, just to kind of know what I'm talking about, so I'm not giving you guys false information. But yeah, good old Amazon right here. You can see the box is all smashed. Not too bad, but whatever. Hope you guys can see. If not, I'll take you guys over here to the garage. But yeah, pretty much what you get is, let's start off right here. Cigarette lighter. It's a little cord, and you can turn it on and off right there with the little switch that connects into this. I don't know what you would call this. Maybe like the, I don't know. I don't want to say a name because then I guess IR controller would be a good name, because that's what it says on there. Let me get a good focus. Right there, and that plugs into right there, and then you have a lot of wire to kind of spread out through your car. Two of them are like, let's say I think they're maybe like 2 feet long, and the other ones are like three feet long, so maybe you want to put like in your back seats or under your back seats, I'm not too sure. And then it comes with a little controller. Also, all these have double-sided tape, so you could stick them on there. I'm pretty sure this tape kind of sucks, so just be careful. Then this actually comes with 3M tape, double-sided tape, to put on the back of this little module right here, so you could like have it under your car hiding like that. And then this, I don't know what this would be for, but maybe just an extra, I'm not too sure. Comes with instructions. They're all in like Chinese or something, I don't even know. So yeah, guys, it's a pretty simple install. I'm pretty sure anyone could do this. But I'm just going to show you guys just plugging it into the cigarette lighter, not really doing any like splicing or doing it into a 12-volt source. In the future, I will do that because I don't like the look of this, because what am I going to do when I want to charge my phone? And two, I just don't like seeing wires all across. And also for all these wires right here, I might cut the carpet a little and try to run them under, because like I said, I don't want to see like a bunch of wires just in there. Even though I'm going to be making it a drift truck in the future, I still don't want to see like wires all around. I'm sorry, guys, I have the hiccups and I feel so bad making this video, but I'm installing it and I'm making a video and I have the hiccups and I can't get rid of them. And yeah, but I do want to say something before I do this little install. I have really big plans. I've already bought a bunch of parts. I already ordered them for the hard body right behind me. It's going to be very sick. I know it's going to be sick. I don't want to give too much off, but you guys are going to like it. So I would really recommend to stay tuned and maybe even subscribe. I know I usually don't tell you guys to subscribe and stuff like that, but with what I ordered and what's coming, you guys for sure want to stick around, especially if you guys are on a budget. Maybe that's a hint right there. Yeah, let's get straight to the install. So what I'm first going to be doing is just plugging everything in pretty much, and then turn the lights on so I see where they're at and how bright they are and what they're going to look like. So you just plug that into a little module piece right there. I don't know if it'll focus. Into a little cigarette lighter with the button. And then you plug it in to your cigarette lighter. Oh shoot, I'm so sorry, guys. I feel so bad. And then once you do that, then you want to find your short ones, which are right here, and then your long ones. So you can see this one has this much excess. Fuck. So sorry, guys. And then you're going to turn your auxiliary. So right there you can see that they're pretty dang bright. And yeah, they look kind of like purple and light and the camera. But see, I turn off my lights, and these things are pretty bright. You can adjust it and do everything like that you want, but I think I'm just gonna pretty much set them up where I need to. I don't know if I'm talking loud enough, so I'm sorry if I was quiet like in the beginning of this clip, but I think I'm just gonna pretty much set them up and do what I gotta do, and then I'll show you guys what I did. And yeah, because this is gonna take me a while because I want it to look kind of nice. So yeah, so it is all done now. I did it kind of hack, kind of like whatever, and kind of lazy, but if I didn't have the lights on, you probably wouldn't know they're in here, so that's a plus. That's kind of what I was shooting for. But you can say turn them on. So you have your like cigarette or charger right here. You could say it's your charger. It goes down here. The wire kind of just disappears, and it goes right here into a little module box. And this is the like receiver. So when you want to change your colors or whatever, you point at that right there. So you can just go like this and point it. Looks like you're pointing at your radio kind of. All the wires ran up through here, down through there, and what I mean lazy is I just threw the excess wire under the floor mat, so I didn't cut into the carpet, which was good because it's brand new carpet. But this one I just threw it on there. It's not mounted or anything. And then this one is double-sided on there, like double-sided tape, what it comes with, and the cord goes like this, and then right here's the e-brake, and I ran the cord over the e-brake, so if it were to like start to fall off a little, it wouldn't just like fall, and then it would be like in your way of like when you're trying to hit the gas pedal and get tangled around there. So it goes over the e-brake. All the excess wires all behind here. You probably can't even see it, maybe you're a little. And then I threw it all from there. It goes all around. This one goes up here. You probably can't see it because I tucked that one under like the glove box, because I remember when I had it, I just threw it right there, and it kind of blinds me when I'm trying to drive because it like hits me right in the eyes. So it's down there. You can still see everything pretty good. And then, like I said, same as over here, the wire just goes under, and then I just threw that one there. So nothing fancy, but let me turn the lights off real quick. It looks pretty dang good, guys. Also, guys, there's like different modes you can choose. You can choose like red, yellow, green, blue. You could make it dimmer, like shoot, you could dim it up. Right there, you could dim it up, maybe if it's too bright for you. And then right there, you could turn it up. It's not bright enough, you see me? You get me? And then there's like these modes where like if you turn your music on, so it hears me. So when you have like hardcore music, it's just like flashing the whole time like that. But if you don't talk, it's just like. So yeah, guys, that's, like I said, a really simple install, and a lot of you guys can do this, and it'll make your car look really cool. There's gonna be a lot of haters in the comments and just around town saying that's fucking gay, freaking racers. But I mean, it's your car, like why does it matter? It's my truck, I'm the one driving it, I'm the one that paid for it, so why should any of you guys care? Not that I'm saying that I don't care what you guys say, but if you don't like it, then oh well, don't watch the video. Like, I don't know why you had to click on the video, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, you guys know where to buy it. I don't know the exact link, but if I can find it again, I'll definitely put it in the description. But if not, just look up like LED lights on Amazon or eBay. They pop up for like 15-20 bucks. It's pretty much the same thing. And yeah, it makes it look cool, because maybe not outside you don't see it, but when you're driving your car, you know what you have. You have lights in here. Just driving at night with tinted windows and lights like this might be illegal, but it looks cool. You feel cool driving down the street. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video also, by the way. Peace out, guys.